is the month of Allah.
My dear respected viewers of Madani Channel, today we will listen a beautiful account, a true story of a pious lady. It is mentioned in Nuzhatul Majalis. There used to be a pious lady who used to worship in Rajabul Murajjab. Rajab is the 7th Islamic month. In Islamic calendar, it is 7th month. So she used to respect and worship in this month a lot. She made a will to her son that he should shroud her in the clothes she used to wear whilst worshipping in the holy month of Rajabul Murajjab. After her demise, her son buried her, shrouding in some other piece of cloth. When he returned home from the graveyard, he was astonished to witness that the cloth in which he had shrouded her mother was at home. Allahu Akbar. After anxiously searching for the clothes which she had instructed him to shroud her with, he found that those clothes had disappeared from their place. Suddenly, a voice was heard from the unknown. "Take back your shroud. We have shrouded her," meaning in the cloth which she had willed. "We do not leave the people who observe fast in Rajab to be stricken with grief in their graves." Subhanallah. Subhanallah. My dear respected viewers of Madani Channel, did you see that this lady, she respected Rajabul Murajjab, she loved this month, and she used to worship in this month? What a great reward she attained. Subhanallah. My dear respected viewers of Madani Channel, this month is a sacred month. It is mentioned in Muqashifatul Qulub that the name of Rajab has been derived from the word tarjib, which means to pay respect. It is also known as al-asab, which means fast flowing. Dear respected viewers of Madani Channel, as the downpour of mercy is increased upon those who repent in this month, and those who worship in this month are blessed with the light of acceptance. Subhanallah. That's why it is also known as al-asab. And further, it is also called al-asab, which means the most deaf, because war is not heard at all in this month. So dear respected viewers of Madani Channel, what do we learn from this account? The way that pious lady used to respect this month, the way she used to love and worship in this month. She had a special attachment. We should also respect, honor this